This is our simple, no-bake strawberry cheesecake. Today we are going to be making 2 no-bake easy desserts. These can be made ahead of time and so simple and so easy. The first dessert is a strawberry cheesecake, and I'm using fresh strawberries. I went to the strawberry stand and I'm just going to dice up some strawberries. Oh, these are so good. I did wash them. Make sure you wash your strawberries really good. These are so good and juicy. Oh my goodness. Going over to some friend's house tonight, and this is a great make-ahead dish. Really very little prep time. I just went and got the strawberries. This is going to be the hardest part of the whole dish, is dicing up the strawberries. So this was 1 quart of sliced strawberries. And I guess you can get the ones from the grocery store. I'm sure they're just as good. Now, if you blink, this dessert will be made. Okay, we are going to be making with honey graham, fresh stacked chocolate graham crackers. And you can use regular if you like, but I'm using chocolate because I think chocolate and strawberries go great together. If I can get them open. I'm just going to lay a layer of graham crackers right on the bottom. And I like my graham crackers to get really soft. It's kind of like an icebox cake. I'm just going to put them in a little diagonal just like that. And then one in the middle. Okay, now we're going to take our cream cheese, pre-made. Philadelphia cream cheese. It's a cheesecake no bake. It's already got the cheesecake made. So easy. And I think it's like $5 and something. And I love that. I love that it's already made and that I don't have to do anything with it. So we're going to take about half of this and put it right in here. And just kind of spread it, push it out. You don't want to mess up your crackers, but we're going to push this out. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to take some more of our graham crackers, and we're just going to kind of put them around, kind of like a little crusted top. And you can use a square dish if you like. I just had this round dish and I thought, I think it'll look good. So I'm using it. Okay, you might have to break just a little bit to get that right in there. You kind of want a little tight squeeze going all the way around, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to put in some of our strawberries. We're going to take some more graham crackers and just pop it on top, just like that. Put one right there in the middle. Then we're going to put on the rest of our cream cheese, a cheesecake pie filling. Going to kind of spread it around. Kind of push it out, kind of gently. Okay. And we're going to lay some more strawberries right on top. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're going to take some Cool Whip, because you can't have a no-bake dessert without Cool Whip. Okay, so now we're just going to take our Cool Whip and put it right on top. Okay. Now we're just going to take some graham crackers, probably about 2, 3 little ones, whatever. And we're just going to just kind of crumble them up. So now we're just going to sprinkle on our graham crackers right on top. Put a little bit of chocolate sauce. And 1 big strawberry. Strawberry no-bake cheesecake. That is beautiful. Now, if you blink, you will miss this one. This one is so easy, guys. My mom, now we're just going to use regular graham crackers, or if you have some of the chocolate left over, you can just use the chocolate. But we're going to make these the way my mom made them when I was a little girl, and the way I made them for my kids when they were growing up, and that I make them for guests all the time. When I have game night with my friends, we play games and stuff, I make these because this is the best and easiest dessert you can make, and you don't have to get out any dishes. You can play the game and just bring out a tray, and everyone's got dessert. I'm telling you, no dishes, no spoons, no utensils, nothing. Okay, if I can get this package open, these might be tamper-proof or child-proof or senior-proof. Oh my goodness. I have rattled on with this thing. Okay. So we just take some graham crackers. I'm going to show you, I got me a loaf pan. Cute little loaf pan. Got ice cream. Guys, this is so simple. You will literally miss it if you blink. Okay, just break the graham cracker in half. And this is a 1/4 scoop. And you take it and you put it on. You kind of squeeze it kind of soft. And you have a little ice cream sandwich. You have to hurry up and make these so they don't melt. But be very gentle and they will squeeze right out. Make sure your ice cream is a little soft. And just kind of bend it in half. Put a little scoop. And if they break, they'll go right back together with the ice cream. Oh my gosh. So good. And I make a whole loaf pan full, and I put some plastic around it. And when it's time for dessert, I just pull these right out of the freezer. I put them right in the loaf pan and everything. And it makes a cute little holder for our sandwiches. And you can wrap them in parchment paper. You can use cinnamon, use the chocolate, whatever you like. And then you can just pop it right in your freezer. And I'm about to run out of ice cream, but that's okay. I think that's good. It just softens right up. And I just keep mine right here in the little loaf pan. So we're going to try one, and they do get hard enough in the freezer, and the cookies get a little bit softer. But they are delicious. So good. Okay, guys, those ice cream sandwiches are great to. You got a house full of teenagers, graham crackers and ice cream. Oh my goodness, you're having an outdoor barbecue or something outdoors. Just get you some ice cream and some graham crackers. Kids love it. And sometimes I'll just wrap them, I freeze them, and then I wrap them individually and throw them in the freezer once they get hard. So I'm going to show you what they look like when they get harder. So these, they get harder in there. You can take them out a few minutes. You can wrap them. And then this no bake. You can throw this together so quick, so easy, and you'll be the star of the show. I want to say thank you so much for watching and your kindness. I just love you guys. You guys go have a wonderful, wonderful day.